We have ourselves here a 12-volt jack. Link will be in the description below. This is how it comes from Amazon, but in another box. I went with 12-volt because that's what I felt like doing. Again, the link will be in the description below. I'm gonna be using it, but I'm not gonna do like a test to see how much maximum lift is and all that. I actually have work to do. But it comes in a nice case. It's near level. It's a little bit heavy on this side, but pretty nice compared to, I know the motor is on one side. I bought the red edition. 12-volt lift lighter powered. Cigarette lighter powered, maybe. Not lighter. You don't sit there with a light. There is a lot of pictures and all that already on it. Amazon that show you how far it lifts and all that. So we will just do whatever this video entails. I'm kind of in a rush. May get interrupted. Comes with a couple extra fuses that are a great indication that you're going to be blowing fuses. It's a F15AL 250 volt, so 15 amp. Comes with 3 of them. Comes with the plugs for battery hookup. They feel alright. We're going to be using just the cigarette lighter because I actually have a Blue Eddy that'll tell me how much power it's using. That is to lower it, but not to raise it, just in case the pump fails. That goes in there, and you can crank it back down for safety at least. Got some gloves. It'll get dirty instantly. Probably a medium. Got ourselves a manual. Is it in English? 15 amp, 3 ton, up to 17 inches high, 10 amp working. Teaches you a little bit about it. It's kind of self-explanatory, honestly. We got wheel chalk with a level on it. That way you level your chalk before you put it in there. That is nice. Hopefully it doesn't collect moisture or anything, but it does have a hole there. We got ourselves the, looks like about a 3-inch screw-in lift. I wish it had a cap one, but or a taco looking one, but that's alright. Looks like that goes right there. We have ourselves the power cord, which is plenty long, to a cigarette lighter with an indicator light. Looks like positive and negative. A little screw-on terminal there. Got ourselves just the normal jack. It has a little bit of a taco on there. That's probably the one we'll be using, or probably not. Who knows? Here's the jack itself. Very nice. What else is in the kit? Fits right in there. Already lubed up a little bit. Looks like a little bit bigger of a stand. I went with this jack because I went with this jack. There's where the manual operation down is. Yeah. We got ourselves a mess. So I'm using this little Blue Eddy. It runs 13 amp max. It says 10, but it'll run almost 13 out. Let's get ourselves, let's see how these fit in there. This one looks like it's just gonna plop in there. That's nice. It does spin. It does have a shank on it, so it's not too wobbly. Like it. This one is gonna screw in. And it stays nice and firm. It does have a little switch right here and another switch once it gets up so high it stops. That way you're not crunching all the metal. Only thing bad about this is that that's what you get. It's not like a bottle jack where you can screw it in and out to adjust the height. Put that on there. Okay, we got ourselves. Using this so I can see how much power it's using. Obviously, it's going to use more power when it's under a load, which we're going to test in a second. Screw that on a little bit. Got a little light that you can't shut off. That's nice. Let's see. It's already down. It won't let you go down any further. taking it all the way up because there's plenty of stuff on Amazon telling you about all that. But I was using 25 watts up, and watch as it goes down, it hits this little clicker right here. I can actually manually activate it. So if you have any problems, watch out that metal didn't get in there or something and bend that a little bit. But 25 watts going up at 12 volt. 22 to 25 going down, and it did peak up to 33 watts. I think I can check how many amps it's using, but we didn't blow anything, so we're doing all right there. Let's go ahead and take it out to the car and jack up a 2018 Malibu that I'm doing some stuff with. Let's go. Okay, we got it under the car. We're jacking up, favoring the left side, passenger side, whatever. Let's see how much power it uses, see what it does, see if it falls, because these jacks are amazing. Let's see how much power it uses. Starting to lean a little bit. It was using 63 watts. It's leaning. I wish I could push it back, but who knows. Tires off the ground. It was using 63 watts. That's pretty good. Let's see what it does going down. Actually uses 30 going down after it's got a load on it. That's different. 63 going up. Now I'm only using this to jack it up, and then I'm putting stuff underneath it, and then I'm going to lower it down. So good enough for me. Thanks for watching.